Let us see how you can add the breakpoints. For example, you need to work on the responsiveness, but now here in Elementor, you are given only the desktop, tablet, and the mobile. But now you need to have a laptop, you need to have iPad, all those things there so that you can style your content to fit or to make it responsive in all those devices. What do? Go to that page you are editing, click on this toggle, come to site settings. After there, layout, scroll down, you will see point, I mean breakpoints. Click on it. Then now you will see here you are given mobile portrait, tablet portrait, which are these ones here, the desktop and that one. Then you can add mobile landscape, tablet landscape, laptop, and wide screens. So after that, you click update. Once you update, it will save your settings, then it will ask you to reload the page. Once you have reloaded the page, come and click this responsiveness mode, then you will be able to work on the responsiveness of your website. For example, starting with the wide screen, you see, come to a laptop, I mean desktop, come to a laptop, go to this, move to landscape, tab landscape, and mobile. So you can have a variety of options to set your website responsiveness. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.